Trading cryptocurrencies can be difficult, not only technically, but emotionally as well. In this video, we'll look at 3 ways that a trend-based trading strategy can be difficult due to cognitive biases. Momentum-based trading strategies have stood the test of time in traditional finance, and now in cryptocurrencies with Trendbot and Marginbot offered here at Tradeium. Watch the video linked above to see a summary of the results. Despite this, it can be incredibly difficult to follow the strategy, as it more often than not does the exact opposite of what our human emotions want us to do. A trend-based trading strategy is buying more in an uptrend, assuming it will continue. Meanwhile, sometimes our emotions want us to sell to secure our win. In a downtrend, it's selling quickly, assuming that the trend will continue. Meanwhile, our emotions want to hold on to that for the inevitable rebound so we can once again become a winner. Let's take a look at the disposition effect, anchoring bias, and overconfidence bias to see how that makes it difficult to follow a trend-based trading strategy. Disposition effect. This common bias is based off the observation that people dislike losing more than they like to win. For example, if you lost $100, the feelings with that are greater in magnitude than if you were to win $100. Because of this, people want to sell their winners prematurely to secure their win and let losers run on, hoping for a rebound. A momentum-based trading strategy would do the exact opposite of this. It would let winners run and cut losers quick. An example of the disposition effect taking effect in the market was with early speculators of Bitcoin in, for example, 2012. They saw huge gains and wanted to secure their wins, so they sold. Then, years later, they saw the prices rise by thousands of percent and realized that was their greatest mistake. An example on the other side is after the 2017 bull market, when prices rose thousands of percent. A lot of people got in later in that trend, and when the market started falling, they wanted to hold on to those coins, hoping for a rebound to become winners once again. Meanwhile, a trend trading system would have sold when it saw the trend reverse. Anchoring is a cognitive bias in which people, or in this case traders, rely too heavily on the first bit of information that they receive. An example of this would be if someone bought Bitcoin for the very first time at $50,000, they may associate that $50,000 anchoring point as fair value. And when the prices fall to, say, $40,000, they may buy more because that is now a discount, just for the prices to keep on tanking. But in this exact situation, a trend trading strategy would sell at that downtrend. So if someone's applying a trend trading system and it's wanting to sell at 40K, they may want to stop it and reverse action. Overconfidence. This bias is based on the observation that people usually think they're better traders and investors than they actually are. Trend-based trading systems don't try to sell when the market has hit a top or buy right when the market hit a bottom. Rather, it'll wait for a trend reversal to be confirmed before it'll make an action. But when somebody's applying a trend trading system and they're overconfident in their abilities to pick the top of the market and the bottom of the market, they may become frustrated with the inability of the trend trading system to do this. Then they may stop it and manually trade on their own. Trend trading strategies have proven themselves over time, but these biases make it very difficult to stick to. This may be actually a gift in disguise, as this may be the only reason why this trading strategy has continued to perform over time. If momentum and trend-based strategies was easy to stick to, people would simply join, not give up, and everybody would join, and the effect of momentum-based edge over time would lose its effect. And because these biases are ingrained in our human psychology, they're not going to change anytime soon. Because of this, the trend trading approach is likely to continue to outperform the market for years and decades, and maybe even centuries to come. If you're interested in applying a trend-based trading strategy on your portfolio, check us out at Tradeium.io or watch some other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.